Before you upload that next video, wait, because in this video I'm about to show you a secret app that can help it go viral. You're going to get subscribers, you're going to get watch hours, and definitely if you get watch hours, that means you're close to monetization. And if you're aiming to get monetized before this month runs out, this video is for you. Do not watch this video to the very end, because what I'm about to share is like just exposing what I do in the secret place. Now, if you've watched this video of mine on how I get views on YouTube, I explain things that I actually do before uploading my videos. Now, in that video, I do not really explain everything in details. Now, this video is like a continuation of that. So if you've not watched that particular video, please, after watching this video, do well to watch that particular video, because it is going to really help, because it is a combination of that particular strategy and this one that is going to help your videos get views, get watch time, get subscribers, and definitely you're going to get monetized in no time. And without much being said, let me take you straight into the main video. Hey guys, you're welcome back to this channel. My name is Buki, and on this channel I share tips that can help you grow faster on YouTube and also help you get monetized in no time. So if this sounds like what you want for your channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to watch this video to the very end. Have you ever wondered why these big YouTubers keep getting thousands of views in few minutes of publishing their videos on YouTube? And then you, as a small YouTuber, as a small channel, you begin to think, what's going on? What did I do wrong? Is it that I did not optimize my video? My thumbnails are good, my description are good, everything is perfect, but yet I still don't get views. It is because you are missing one thing. Now, this secret that I'm about to show you in this video is going to expose what those big YouTubers actually do on their videos, what those YouTubers actually do in the secret that you don't get to see. You know, when they upload their videos, you get to see their description, you get to see their title and their thumbnail. But there are some secret things that they do behind the scene that you don't get to see, that YouTube is not going to show you. And that is exactly what I'm about to show you in this video. This strategy also works for different niche. If you're into cooking, you're into football, whatever niche you are, this strategy works a lot. Now, this secret app that I'm about to show you, it gives you the details of the secret tags that those big YouTubers use on each of their videos. It also shows you the channel keywords that these big YouTubers actually use, because you know, if you're about to start a YouTube channel, you need to really optimize your channel properly. I'm not talking about videos, optimizing your channel. Now, this secret app is going to show you every details about those big YouTubers. All you need to do is to just make sure you watch this video to the very end, because I'm going to take you step by step on how you can do this. Now, the first thing for you to do to make your videos go viral, to get subscribers and also get watch time, to hit monetization in no time, is that whenever you want to make your video, make sure that you make a video that is in demand here on YouTube. That is videos that people are really watching, videos that people love to see, people love to watch. So after filming and editing your videos, all you need to do is to go back to YouTube, search for a big YouTuber in your niche, or someone you get inspiration from that is doing excellently well in that niche of yours. Go and look for that particular topic which you made. Now, I'm going to be placing a screen record here to show you exactly how you can use these secret apps to get their exact channel keywords, to get their exact tags for each of their videos, so that you can also replicate it on your own videos. Trust me, this works like magic. This is what I've been doing on my channel. I've never said this before, and that is why I've come here to make this video for you guys. Please do well not to miss any step of this video, because if you miss any step and you say it is not working, it is left to you. But this works like magic. So after filming your video, like I said, all you need to do, head over to your YouTube app, right? Go and search for that particular title. Now, let's assume that I made a video on how to get 4,000 watch hours. So I'm just going to type 4,000 watch hours YouTube. So I'm just going to go ahead to search for a video that did excellently well, that had massive views. Now, let me use this particular one, 4,000 watch hours. So what you need to do, click on these three dots, click on this place, click on share. Now you're going to copy the link, copy link, right? Now you come back to your Chrome browser, just type MW metadata. Okay, so we're just going to search for it. Now you can see this first one, MW metadata. Like if you type metadata, it is going to bring several ones, but make sure it is this first one that you're going to use. So you click on it. So once it opens, you're going to see an interface like this. Now remember the link which we copied on YouTube, right? Just come to this place and wipe this one out, wipe this particular link out, then you long press on it and you paste. Do you get? Paste that particular link which you copied from YouTube, then you click on submit. Now what this is going to do is that it is going to bring the entire details, both the secret, the hidden details of that particular video. Now let's take a look at it. You can see 0 to 4,000 watch hours in 3 days. This is the title. Now the main thing I want to show you is the tags. Now remember this particular video, I only showed you how you can copy their description, their title and their thumbnail style, right? But you don't get to see the tags which those creators actually use. Yes, you don't get to see it, but this app is what is going to give you all the details you need to copy. So all you need to do is just to copy and paste. Now look at the tags. These are the tags that this person used, and this video got more than 200,000, like I think 230 something thousand views. That is a lot. Just one video can get you monetized and get you all the watch hours you need, depending on how you optimize your videos. Now all you need to do is to just come here and long press and copy all their tags. You copy their tags, you can take it to your notepad, just take it somewhere. Okay, I'm just going to drop this, paste it here on ChatGPT so that you can come back to copy it and paste on your own videos. Now another thing you need to take note is your category. If you optimize your video, you put description, put the thumbnail, your title, everything is catchy, but you don't pick a category, that video is likely not to do well, because you're not going to give the algorithm an idea of what you're doing. Do you understand? So the category is very, very important. Now this secret app also shows you the category which that particular creator choose. If you are making a video relating or similar to this kind of video from a big creator in your niche, all you just need to do is to copy their exact category for your own videos. The category of this video is how to and style. Okay, so if you want to upload your videos on your YouTube, choose how to and style depending on your niche. So even if someone is into cooking and you make the same kind of video as theirs, just copy the link of that particular video, take it to this secret app, and it is going to show you every details from the tags, the category, the title, the thumbnail, everything. Do you understand? Now let me take you to another secret thing that is actually going to make your channel rank so well and also make YouTube to recommend your videos. Now if you scroll down to the end, you're going to see it is going to show you the channel keywords. Now for a YouTuber, if you really want to grow on your channel, you need to have a channel keywords. Now this channel keywords is what is really going to boost your channel. Okay, this is what is going to tell the YouTube algorithm what your channel is all about. Now you can see this person is into the make money niche and also YouTube niche, right? So you can just copy everything here and go and paste it on your own channel keyword. This is really going to help your channel. Like, it is really going to help your channel. This is what I have tested and trusted, and that is why I'm making this video for you. So now after you've copied all the necessary details here, all you need to do is just to go back to your YouTube studio, right? Let me look for my YouTube studio app. Go back to your YouTube studio app, and let's assume that you've uploaded your video or you're about to upload your video. Just go to the content. Always make sure you use your YouTube desktop version, but for this tutorial sake, I'm just going to use my normal YouTube studio app. So now let's assume that you copy the tags, right? So what you need to do is to go to the tag section, come to this place, copy everything and paste it there. But one thing you need to take note is that make sure that the tags you are copying is related directly to the video you make. You cannot go and copy a tag from a YouTube tips and put it on a video about how to cook. It does not relate. That is what YouTube is against. Okay, if you are making a video about 4,000 watch hours, how to get 1,000 subscribers, just look for someone that is doing excellently well, or someone that have made that particular video and their videos did really well. Copy their link, go to that secret app, paste it there. It is going to bring all their tags, it is going to bring everything, their hashtags, their description, everything is there. Okay, so just copy it and paste it. This is going to really help your videos go viral. Like, it is going to help your video get views, get watch hours, get subscribers. Do you get? And with this, before you know, you're going to hit monetization, and definitely you're going to get monetized. This will be the end of this video. If you find this video very helpful, please do well to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that whenever I drop another mind-blowing video, you'll be the first first person to see it. And lastly, don't forget to comment that this month I am getting monetized. Say it with so much confidence, and definitely you're going to get monetized. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.